First, we'll use the plate on face command to create edges for the diagonals, setting the depth to 150 mm. Be sure to use the correct sign. Then, we'll shorten the contour plates. Next, we'll use the ring plate command to split the plate into two parts. We'll adjust the main gusset plate geometry to add slanted stiffening ribs. After that, we'll use plate on face again to create the angled rib. The ring plate command will subtract the beam area from the plate. Using the projector tool, we'll copy this rib to the other side and make sure the plates are identical. Now, we'll trim the diagonals. This part is easy, and cut openings in them. These openings need to be rotated to the right angle, and the align command is perfect for this. I'm still exploring this tool. It's sort of like the opposite of the projector. Finally, we can align the cutout geometry to the top edge of the gusset plate, with a 15 mm offset. With that, the geometry is mostly done, and we just need to finish off with things like chamfers, welds, and other small details.